Sovol M1D, the world's first IDEX tool-changing 3D printer redefining multi-material printing. The desktop 3D printing industry is entering a new era of innovation, and Sovol is preparing to lead the charge with the introduction of the Sovol M1D, designed for creators, engineers, makers, and professionals. The M1D combines Independent Dual Extruder (IDEX) technology with an advanced tool-changing system, creating a unique platform capable of handling complex multicolor and multi-material projects with remarkable efficiency. As demand for faster, smarter, and more versatile 3D printers continues to grow, manufacturers are searching for ways to overcome the limitations of traditional filament changing systems. Sovol's answer is the M1D, a machine that promises greater productivity, reduced waste, improved automation, and support for up to 7 different colors or materials in a single print. A groundbreaking DualX IDEX Tool-Changing System. The highlight of the Sovol M1D is its innovative DualX IDEX Tool-Changing System. Unlike conventional dual extruder printers, the M1D combines a dedicated printing extruder with a second tool-changing extruder capable of automatically switching between multiple toolheads. This design allows users to print with up to 7 colors or materials without relying on traditional filament swapping methods. Whether creating colorful display models, engineering prototypes, or complex parts requiring multiple materials, the M1D provides a level of flexibility rarely seen in desktop 3D printing. The printer's independently heated toolheads ensure that replacement tools are preheated and ready before installation. This significantly reduces waiting times during material changes and helps maintain smooth printing workflows. Designed for multicolor and multi-material creativity. Modern creators increasingly require printers capable of handling multiple materials within a single project. The Sovol M1D is specifically engineered for this purpose. Users can combine standard PLA filaments with specialty materials, support materials, or multiple colors to create highly detailed and functional models. This capability is particularly valuable for product designers, educational institutions, engineering teams, and hobbyists seeking professional quality results. By eliminating the need for frequent manual intervention, the M1D allows users to focus on design and creativity rather than managing complicated material changes. Multiple printing modes for maximum productivity to accommodate different applications. The M1D offers several specialized printing modes. Multicolor mode. The printer can automatically switch between multiple colors and materials during a print, enabling highly detailed projects with minimal waste. Mirror mode. Mirror mode allows the machine to simultaneously produce mirrored versions of a part. This is ideal for manufacturing symmetrical components such as left and right brackets, wings, handles, or custom-designed accessories. Copy mode. For small-scale manufacturing, copy mode doubles productivity by printing 2 identical objects simultaneously. Businesses and print farms can benefit from increased output without purchasing additional printers. Single printing mode. Users who simply need standard single material printing can operate the M1D like a conventional high-performance desktop 3D printer. These flexible modes make the M1D suitable for both hobbyist projects and commercial production environments. Intelligent automation improves accuracy. One of the most impressive aspects of the Sovol M1D is its focus on automation. Traditional dual extruder systems often require extensive calibration and maintenance, but Sovol aims to simplify the process through intelligent technology. The printer features auto vision calibration, which uses camera-assisted positioning to automatically align toolheads and adjust XY offsets. This reduces setup time while ensuring precise layer placement. The toolhead auto Z-lift system automatically adjusts the height of inactive toolheads to prevent collisions and improve overall print quality. This feature helps eliminate common issues associated with multi-extruder machines. Additionally, an eddy current sensor performs high-speed non-contact bed scanning for automatic bed leveling. Accurate first layers remain one of the most critical factors in successful 3D printing, and this technology helps ensure consistent results. High-speed performance speed is another area where the Sovol M1D stands out. The company has designed the machine to minimize downtime caused by material changes and tool swaps. Its patented metal auto-grip mechanism reportedly enables toolhead changes in approximately 5 seconds. Combined with independently heated toolheads, this allows the printer to continue production with minimal interruption. According to early specifications, the M1D can achieve printing speeds of up to 600 mm per second, placing it among the fastest consumer-oriented desktop FDM printers currently announced. This level of performance makes the printer attractive not only to hobbyists, but also to professionals seeking faster prototyping and production cycles. Reduced waste and lower operating costs. One of the biggest frustrations associated with many multicolor printing systems is material waste. Traditional solutions often require large purge towers and extensive filament flushing whenever colors change. The Sovol M1D addresses this challenge through its tool-changing architecture. Because individual toolheads handle different materials, the printer significantly reduces the need for wasteful purging. The result is lower filament consumption, reduced operating costs, and a more environmentally friendly printing process. For users running large production batches, these savings can become substantial over time. Smart monitoring features. The M1D also incorporates advanced monitoring technology to improve reliability. An integrated camera system continuously observes the printing process and can detect common problems such as spaghetti failures, filament tangles, and foreign objects on the build plate. Early detection allows users to stop failed prints before wasting excessive material. The printer also includes a sophisticated 6-channel auto-filament system that automatically manages filament loading and monitoring. Features include runout detection, clog monitoring, and tangle detection, helping users maintain uninterrupted printing. Price and availability. Sovol plans to launch the M1D through a Kickstarter campaign. Early supporters will be able to purchase the printer at a special super early bird price of $1,499, while the expected retail price is set at $1,799. Interested customers can register on Sovol's official launch page to receive updates regarding availability, campaign details, and exclusive launch offers. Final thoughts. The Sovol M1D represents one of the most exciting 3D printer announcements of 2026. By combining IDEX architecture, tool-changing technology, intelligent automation, high-speed performance, and support for up to 7 colors or materials, Sovol is introducing a machine that could significantly expand the capabilities of desktop manufacturing. For makers, professionals, educators, and businesses looking for a powerful next-generation 3D printing solution, the Sovol M1D has the potential to become one of the year's most innovative and disruptive products.